We used to have very clear distinctions between our work life and our private life, and between our workspace and our living space. But the last 2 years have melted those two together and left us with unclear boundaries and vague agreements. That is why we wanted to talk today about organizing your home, which now, of course, is also your workspace. Stay tuned until the end to discover the gift we have for you. It's fair to say that we live in very stressful times. Regardless of our opinions about the virus, the pandemic, the measurements, the vaccines, and how various governments are acting or reacting, the quarantine and lockdown situations are exceptional, and they can bring a lot of stress. When the first lockdown was a fact, Hilde and I just started our business. Our vision was not yet clear, but we knew that we wanted to share our knowledge and help others to do the same. Hence, we bought a knowledge broker course, which was created by Dean Graziosi and Tony Robbins. A few weeks into the course, on his Monday coaching talks, Dean Graziosi urged us to create something quickly and get it out there. So we started brainstorming on what we could do, how we could help others with something we were good at or had knowledge on. And so we combined our experience of working for a global company for years. We were used to working from home on a regular basis. And we noticed that with everyone suddenly moving from their office desk to their kitchen table, many people did not know how to organize themselves. So we started to create our first course, Home Office Mastery. Because we decided at the beginning of our journey together that we would consult how we feel with everything we created. And we also want to take a holistic approach. While our course is focused on working from home, creating boundaries and establish habits, even adding some gamification, I wrote a book that focuses more on our mind, our body, and our home. Maybe at this moment, you're preparing to go back to the office, part-time, or even full-time. That's okay. You will still find useful practices and tips to create an environment that is pleasant to come home to and to find the peace and calm you're looking for after a busy day at the office. Everything starts with taking care of yourself. The last couple of weeks, we talked about organizing our business or decluttering our homes. Let's not just leave it at that. We all deserve a home that is not only clutter-free, but also pleasant to stay in. That is why I took the liberty to add a small part of the book in this video, to give you a bit of a preview of what you can expect. But before I start to read a part of the book, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and give your feedback in the comments. Just a few years ago, working permanently from home was the privilege of the digital nomads and the lucky high-end professionals. But in the meantime, we all worked from home for several weeks or months. We know what it is like, and it's far less glamorous than we thought it would be. Our home isn't just our home anymore. It has become an office, a school, a gym, a restaurant, a play area, and a place to relax. This pandemic we are living has greatly amplified this trend. It has shaken up our priorities and driven us to new needs. The new daily reality is that working from home creates stress, blurring boundaries between work and private life, pushing us sometimes to work longer hours. This has created a need for little things that elevate the mood in our homes. If we have to stay indoors, let's at least make it a really nice place to be. It's very easy to be blind to the eccentricities of our homes. We become so familiar with the funny layouts, annoying bits of design, and the parts of our home that are in great need of a makeover. We acquired our own habits in managing our space, and we forgot to make any changes. Sometimes, though, the tiniest tweak can make a big difference in how simple and enjoyable our home is. Take the time to go through every single one of your rooms and look at them with new eyes. Stand in the middle of the room with your eyes closed and absorb the energy that you feel. Is it a light and pleasant energy, or rather dense and heavy? Chances are, when you did not declutter first, the energy feels thick and not pleasant. While you're in the room, appreciate the current furniture, decoration, and accessories. And then maybe completely rethink every room, change purpose or add functionalities. Make a mood board with colors you like and add some pictures of how you want your rooms to look like. Look for furniture and accessories that allow you to work and play in the same space and be flexible. Or just take a minimal approach and add one item you love to each room. Display an image that moves you or inspires you. Hang a piece of graphic art that is amusing and engaging, or write a sticky note with motivational wisdom. Feeling good at home is something available to everyone, no matter the size or condition of your space. If you want to know more about empowering yourself by balancing your home and your inner space with your work and work from home activities, then follow the link in the description to our Empowered Women Work from Home book.